Hi everyone, my name is Aniket Dawange. My topic name is Langevin Classical Theory of Diamagnetism. Before going to theory, I will like you to share some basic information about magnetic material. Based on magnetic properties, solid are categorized in their three categories: diamagnetic substance, paramagnetic substance, and ferromagnetic substance. Paramagnetic substances are partially magnetic in nature. Ferromagnetic substances are strongly magnetic in nature. Few properties of diamagnetism are: diamagnetic substances are independent of temperature and also external magnetic field. Susceptibility of diamagnetic substance is negative. Susceptibility means the capacity to acquire magnetization when it is placed in external magnetic field. So, negative sign indicate that however strong external magnetic field, the substance can never acquire a magnetization. So, susceptibility of diamagnetism substance is negative. This is proved in the Langevin theory. We going to consider an electron which is revolving around the nucleus of charge E in circular orbit of radius r. Let E be the charge of electron. Electron is in circular path. The centripetal force balanced by Coulomb force. So attraction by equation mv square upon r equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 upon r square. We replace by r and omega, relation between linear velocity and angular velocity. Q1 is charge of nucleus, Q2 charge of electron. So expression will be m r omega whole square upon r equal to z e upon 4 pi epsilon naught r square. Omega naught is natural frequency value. So omega square equal to Z square upon 4 pi epsilon naught m r cube. Equation first. When these electrons subjected to in external magnetic field not only experience Coulomb force of attraction, in addition to this is going to experience Lorentz force, and this equation given by minus E b r omega. Negative sign indicate charge of electron is negative. So minus b e b r omega, the total force, centripetal force balanced by some Coulomb force of attraction. This equation reduced in form of this equation. Equation written in quadratic manner as a x square plus bx plus c, a equal to 1, b this equation and c equal to this equation will get the expression this form. Now I will write 2 in denominator of minus eb upon 2m, and taking 2 inside the root, write expression as in this form, replacing z square upon 4 pi epsilon naught m r cube by omega square from equation first. Eb upon 2m bracket square is Larmor frequency value. Complete natural frequency of Larmor frequency is very small. So omega equal to omega naught minus Eb upon 2m. This will be the new angular velocity of electron in presence of ex external magnetic field. Now we can calculate change in angular velocity as delta omega equal to omega minus omega naught. Substitute value of omega naught from previous equation. Delta omega equal to omega naught minus Eb upon 2m minus omega naught. Omega naught and omega naught is cancelled. Omega equal to 2 pi n, that is 2 pi delta n equal to minus Eb upon twice m. Therefore, change in frequency of revolution of electron delta n equal to minus Eb upon 4 pi m. Now, we can calculate magnetic moment of electron using formula current into area. Current I equal to Q upon T. Q is E here. 1 upon T is frequency. Substitute delta n value. Area pi r square. Electron moving in circular path. Now we have calculating magnetic moment due to entire atom, as atom consisting of number of electron not all in same orbit. Magnetic moment of atom delta m atom this with summation sign. This with summation sign. Let specimen consist n number of atom per unit volume. Net magnetization of specimen can be written as m equal to minus n b e square summation of r square upon 4m. R square replaced as 2/3 of r square. In taking consideration that not all orbit always normal to direction to the magnetic field, so this quantity replaced by 2/3 of r square. So net magnetization expression reduced in this form. Volume susceptibility of material chi equal to m upon h equal to minus n b e square summation of r square upon 6 m h. B equal to mu naught h. Therefore, chi equal to minus mu naught n e square summation of r square upon 6m. This is final expression of susceptibility of diamagnetic substance. It is clear that susceptibility of diamagnetic material is negative, and also it independent on absolute temperature and external magnetic field. Thank you.